All right, Lucas Magic, what do you want to see from this here team right here? You want to see Ryan playing the Viper?
I prefer not to see any Viper.
Yeah, that's kind of how I feel too. I'm not a huge Viper kind of guy, but oh, Crafty's hovering the Viper too. Okay. I'm excited for our first game back for the KingLive Customs Invitational Championship for Rookies Invitational. It's been a long while, but we got a lot of OGs in this game right now. A lot of the original members of the community kind of going at it, so it'll be fun to see. These are the guys who always ran rampant in the customs before.
You know, just looking at team comp right now, no Sage on this map. Oh, that's gonna be hard to hold mid. You know, I see a lot of people run Sage on this map.
Yeah, when you could throw that wall in the little tube right there, that's the like cheesiest strat. I wonder if that sticks. Like, I wonder if they end up changing it so you can't do that anymore.
Just make the tube a tiny bit bigger.
Yeah. Well, yeah, it's kind of weird. You can just throw it down and then they have to burst through the entire thing. It's really obnoxious. Ryan's 2, Cart's 3, Pineapple Haste on 1. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can get my my spectator vibes back. Now,
on my mark.
What we're seeing right now is it looks like the defense got a little bit aggressive in the middle. They have a lot of territory right now, but that means that the offense is able to take over here on A. They're able to push up. They're going to have the site and probably the bomb plant here, but you'll notice the defense coming back around. Rain is going to be going down right there to Ryan with his ghost. Rough engagement for a classic right there. You don't want to be fighting that distance with a classic versus the ghost, but it is possible to win it. Part running in for this retake, and this is going to be pretty difficult for the offense to hold here, as it's going to be all up to our Phoenix right here. Wave. They're defusing the bomb. Does have a molly in hand, but is that molly going to stop it? No, it won't, and he'll go down to Penguin there. Are you back in the game, or?
We're struggling. I don't know what to do.
So this is the wall that we were talking about at the beginning of the game. This wall that you're going to see Ryan's doing, he's setting up for right at the beginning. Basically, you're able to kind of throw it in here in this tube, and you can really catch players off guard, or not really off guard, but deny them the ability to push through here, because it's going to take a lot of gunpowder to get through that thing. But you'll notice the offense is opting just to not to go that direction. Anyway, they're taking the close angles on this eco round, which is a pretty easy thing to do on A. They're gonna be making their way in. They do get a couple trades here. That's 2 for the offense. They're able to pick up those stingers, maybe get the bomb plant. This definitely could favor them. Ryan's gonna be coming in for this retake. Does find one with the ghost, and the ghost is actually a pretty decent weapon to carry into second round. You can definitely get a lot of the one tap does 105 damage if you hit in the head, you know, so it's like easily can create those trades that you need. That retake coming in, they will be able to land that on that defense. That wasn't looking too hot at the beginning after they lost both of their players on site, but a good retake by them, honestly. Only losing one player in that retake.
Okay, spectate Ryan. It looks like he's going for a stupid Sage angle.
Oh, look at that. This one's so similar to the one on the one closer, though. So I guess it would kind of mess with your crosshair a little bit. I actually don't love this spot, though. And that's what you see, he got taken out right there. It seems like Bappo was probably expecting him to be over on that other ledge, and it wasn't that hard of an adjustment for him to make. Now double satcheling onto site, making his way back there. Bappo with the aggressive plays. Very strong player. Goes for the strafe jump, running straight into Omen. Unfortunately, his crosshair placement was just a little wonky there, losing him that fight. And the defense is going to pick up a couple of kills here, actually answering on these retakes. And that's what you hate to see when they have such a good engage at the beginning, dude. And then it just all falls apart so quickly. Tough up to 8 to Ducky there. Yeah, that was a lot of kills for him there. Rank distribution is reminding everyone this is a full Radiant lobby. We don't have anything less than Radiant in here. What is this wall? Another weird wall coming in from Ryan. He had to abandon his point. Go back site here. Playing around the smoke, but he's going to be running right into Bappo and getting the pick there. As that is the fault of double satchels. Your movement. Oh my god, Ryan. Oof.
Try hard. Oh, he's gonna grab the op as well.
Oh, what a play, dude. He was on it. And it's that kind of like in the moment game sense that like it really goes unnoticed a lot of the times. Because he could have just gotten that 4K and done what I do, where you run around, you're like, yeah, I got a 4K. But instead he was like, I'm gonna grab the op for my teammate, which is way across the site. He knew where it was, he was able to pick it up. That was a good play.
Or someone could be yelling in your ear, that one Jet player. It's like, my op! My op!
Not telling you where it is, but just, my op! Bro.
What?
Ryan, did you watch him play that off? Like nothing happened? He just tried to wall a nest, and then he was like, anybody see that? Okay. Hey, And that's Crafty. We easily know that he's capable of it. Bappo picking up one. He's going to run right into that op from Cart there. Cart's going to back up. Focusing their attention towards middle. They got to be careful of this Reyna lurking right now, though. Crafty's going to pick up one in the middle. And now it's going to be a 3v1 all left up to Cart. He does have the operator in hand. Picks up one. If he gets another kill, too, he could have his knives out. So they have to be very careful of this. And against this operator right here, what I would like to see is these two players playing like real close together right now so they can trade each other. He does swap for a Phantom, actually. Picks up one. Is he going to expect a Jet right there, though? With an Odin, IMAG just playing this cheeky spot. Caught him off guard completely right there.
And it's a 2v3. Penguin's going to try to even the ties out. One more kill.
Look at this play from 8-Bit Ducky over here in kitchen. He's going to be able to pick off Ryan. Does Ryan hear him? He does. Oh no, Ducky. Gonna get taken out by Ryan. He made too much noise right there. That's unfortunate. And now it's all left up to the Phoenix from Wave. Gonna be mauling the bomb to keep him off of it for just a little bit. I wasn't sure if he got it for a second.
Oh wow, but he's just gonna get it halfway.
And that'll be the defuse. Able to pick up the kill there from Wave. Does he survive the round? Oh, they're right next to each other. Unfortunate though. And it's gonna be 6-3. Still a capacity for the offense to bring this back. If you pick up just like 1 or 2 more rounds, it's going to be a lot more even. Switching to the defensive side, it gives you a little bit more room to work with.
I mean, Valorant's all momentum, so if you could pick up these last 3 rounds, make it 6-6, it looks even, but if you win 3 rounds in a row, definitely your team's more confident. This is basically the tournament you go into before you become a pro.
Yeah, people come to the TheKingLive Custom so that they can play in here.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we had Steel, we had Wardell, we had Brax, like just, you know, some low names, you know, up-and-comers. We'd like to throw them in the ring here first before they get to the big stage.
Now on the side switch, it is possible. 8-4, like you can definitely come back from that, especially on an offensive side of the map. Actually, no, they're on defense now. Oh, shit, dude. This is over.
GG's.
They don't have a chance.
You think this map is more offensive or defense?
I've heard it as more offensive. I guess I haven't really checked the statistics on it, but that's what I've heard.
Yeah, but what do you think?
I think that I have an easier time on offense. It seems like a team that's not very coordinated on defense on this map really seems to struggle.
Yeah, it seems like on Haven, if you have a uncoordinated team, as long as everyone can hold their angles, it's fine. But on this map, even if you hold your angles, like the team just rushes you down. Oh, an aggressive play from defense coming out of A. Gonna be picking up Cart.
And there's the flash coming in from Wave right there. He's looking for kills with this classic. Getting any sort of tags. Oh no, he's getting stuck in nest. Does pick up one onto Ryan though. I don't even know how he wins that fight. Now it's just gonna be the one left. That was a good play by the defense right there, playing that aggressively. And more importantly, they played it together. That's what I really like to see, is they all pushed it together. They committed. They were able to get the kills. I think if you're the if you're the offense right there, I think you just back up. You give that area to them. You notice that they allocated so many resources to taking that spot. Give it to them. Go take something a little bit easier. Which I feel like the Vandal and the Phantom, they do serve different purposes in some regards. Cart picking up one kill. This weird angle from Bappo. He's gonna find another answer. I like the Vandal better at that angle than the Phantom, because with the Phantom you're not gonna get the one dink, but with the Vandal you can get the one dink and then back out. Using the satchel to get himself out of there too. That's really good game sense from Bappo, knowing that there's an op up in that angle. He's not just gonna dry peek it. He's gonna dip out.
Oh, and Pineapple gonna be going down to now 42 for the defense. Penguin wants to fight back though. 2v3. There's the blind, misses.
Last player standing.
Bappo's gonna take him out. Now it's a 1v3.
Crafty just didn't see him there too when he swung around. I don't know if you saw that. He looked right at him, but
I have it on open view or whatever. I don't lock on to anybody.
Cart is just giving up after missing 2 off shots in a row. And he is going to give up his life right there. Not the smartest decision, but notice how the after that side switch, it was 8-4, and now it's down to 9-8. Like, they're closing this gap right now.
That's the first round they dropped since the side switch, so.
Bappo's dropping 27 kills right now, too. Incredible, dude.
You'd expect more from Bappo. Yeah, I said it, Bappo.
we expect a 40 bomb from Bappo in this game.
Let's make him
I haven't had a 40 in a while. Back in the beta, when everyone was legit garbage, Now it's like, I can barely get 20.
Gonna be a 3v4 retake. They do have the Phoenix ultimate, but unfortunately the Phoenix is chilling with an operator. The Bapple on this flank could be massive. Nobody is watching it. Jet's gonna come check it. Maybe? No, Bappo's just right behind him. Do they know? Jet did not get the call out yet. The Bappo's gonna find another, and there's the last one mid. Ryan does take him out. It'll be a 1v1 now for iMac versus Ryan. Unfortunately, he has a Marshall. This is gonna be a really hard win. Wants to go for the Odin. He's thinking about it, but he's making so much noise.
Oh, Ryan has
Ryan wants to knife him.
Here comes the knife.
Ryan's going for the knife kill, and he does not find it. They're both gonna die to the bomb. You know, I'm kind of disappointed in Ryan for not getting that knife kill right there. You think that he would have handled that just a little bit better.
You think he'd get business done, but you know, unfortunately, it's Ryan. We can't expect much.
Yeah.
Unlike Bappo.
Oh no, is he gonna get the kill? He's got his blind in hand. They're both playing over here. But there is a pick onto A, and this is gonna be the push onto the A bomb site right now. You gotta keep in mind, player number 8, Crafty, getting those picks with the and the heal. That overheal is gonna be nice because he did take a little bit of damage on that engagement. His Omen are so close to him. Is he gonna timing him? Here's the reload. Oh, good play, Penguin. After hearing that reload, getting that push off. That's a 3v3 retake. They know where Penguin was, relatively speaking.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Last player standing.
The fleeing diaper. Raptor.
Oh!
Does
Wavy
pick up
needs
a
to get to
Vandal,
the other
though.
side of this wall. He's trying to jump over it. Oh no! Oh no! Oh,
Wait.
And he does have time. This is a win right there, but he's trying to find his way around that wall, dude. Oh my god.
No, it's so unfortunate. You only had to wait 2 seconds.
And that was a timing thing that we talked about so many times. Just play the time right there, you win the round. But you get overexcited sometimes. You feel like you need to push the guy. He didn't hear the bomb plant or the bomb tagged or anything. He didn't have to peek. Basically, what you do, you hear them tag the bomb. You give it like 2 seconds, and then you peek, and then they have to pull off the bomb. He's gonna run out of time. You know. That would have been the better move, I think.
Some people get flustered in those situations. I think the first thing you want to learn is just, can you play time? And the way you judge that is, do you hear the bomb being tapped? So if the bomb gets tapped, you either can make a gut feeling saying he's not on it, or you have to check. Oh wait, offensive, being aggressive on defense. Crafty finds one, and iMac finds another. 3v5. This game might keep continuing, maybe an overtime thing.
Apple getting aggressive here in middle. Trying to find the kill onto Ryan, but Ryan, another skilled player over here, gonna land that first kill. Using the spray to assert his dominance. Or what little dominance he does have. Yes, this Omen pushing in. And they are on an eco a little bit here from the offense. So they are coming in on the site, but 3v4, they're landing their picks they need. And this is exactly what you need in this situation. The player with the strongest rifle landing those frags right there. He picked up 2 on this round, making it an even 3v3. I don't like how they're playing this, though. They're playing very far back. It's going to be potentially a difficult defense here for them.
I think on a map like this, it's an all-right setup, especially with a Cypher if you have a camera, but I'm not really sure if they do. They don't have any mollies, though, which is really bad. There's the camera. Then again, they didn't even hear the bomb go off. Now the camera won't be effective here.
Time is quickly running out. Wave is sticking this bomb. They do have to peek him. Gonna go for the peek, but no, the bomb's gonna get diffused. And they want to save these rifles right now. Void's getting taken out. Now it's just Ryan with the Vandal. At least they do carry this Vandal into the next round, but this is gonna be the last round. They'll have to buy out. Cart's gonna be on a little bit of a budget buy on 3100 as well as Pineapple Haste. Saving that Bulldog there would have been a lot better. After that round was finished, you want to just kind of back up, unfortunately. It's actually impressive that they're making this comeback right now, considering that 8-Bit Ducky still hasn't broken his candy cane. He still has the default full candy cane.
Dang. Maybe he's just saving his powers for overtime. You never know. Where did that Omen TP?
This is back sight on B.
No, man.
Let's see if he's able to make anything happen. This Omen's going to TP up into tube. Does he know? Notices the players in spawn. Do they notice him? Penguin finds one, but he's going to get taken out. Triple peek right there, actually. Unfortunately, the timing is just they were all rotating. They got the call out and they just sent it over. Now the offense is going to be doubling back. Interesting plays. After that Omen gets taken out, they lose a lot of leverage. I think they just decided that they wanted to reset. How do they know? They're rotating back to B. Are we getting stream sniped?
No, Cart. Do you see Cart? He's in kitchen. Here, 3 people rotate off the site. He just picks up 8-bit, which is the last person to rotate. And now they have free sight. That's just because he heard them full sprint while he was just sitting in kitchen.
What a good lurk, dude. Sometimes it's hard to tell when you're looking at the map who's on what team, but oh my god, what a good lurk from Cart. Just getting all of that info and a kill on top of it, giving his team the sight, and this might secure the game. It does get flashed out there. This Phoenix might pick up the kill. No, unfortunately not. And there's 2 people playing in 2 right here. Pineapple Haste with this Bucky. Oh no.
Last player standing.
And Wave is all alone in this 1v3. This is going to be incredibly unlikely, as 2 of these people are playing right on site. Finds one onto Pineapple Haste. They're right behind this wall. No way he expects this. And he gets knifed by Ryan.
Ryan, gonna go for that knife. Overall, good game.
A BM coming in from Ryan right there for closing out that game. The knife kill to end it. That's what you like to see, honestly. A big ending to a big game like that. It was a strong comeback from the defense or the offense, because they were the offense at one point in time. But yeah, what's your take on what are the analyst decks from Lucas Magic?
So, oh wait, we got a little bit of comms. Do you hear party chat or no?
No, I can't hear it right now. I must have bugged out.
Okay, I'll tell you what's happening. Unlucky, you hate to see it. You know, just a little bit after game chat.
My party chat turned off. I don't know why. So I love you guys. It was a good game. Good comeback too. That was fun to watch.